Have you installed the Booking.com app, but it's showing in a language you don't understand? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many users are surprised when the app automatically sets a language that doesn't suit them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the language in the Booking.com app on your iPhone without needing to change your phone's entire language settings. So first, find your Booking.com app on the home screen and open it. Once you're on the home screen of the app, the next step is to tap on the My Account option in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open a page with various settings for your account. When you're on that page, scroll down a little and find the Device Preferences option, then tap on it. After that, at the top of the page, you'll see the language option. Tap on it, and that will take you to the app settings, where you'll see the language option again. There, find and tap on Language once more. This will open a page with a list of all available languages. Simply scroll through and select the language you want. For the sake of demonstration, I'll choose Russian. Once you've selected your language, go back to the Booking.com app, and you'll see that the language has automatically changed. Now, all menus, buttons, and information will be displayed in the language you selected, making the app much easier to use and navigate. And that's it, my friends. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give it a like, share it, and consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. See you soon, and thank you so much for watching.